Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gauri and today I'm here to review the StylPro Beauty Fridge. It is a 4-liter small little fridge and you can keep all your skincare products in it. Your face masks, serums, lip masks, under eye masks. So I will be reviewing that today with you. But before we go to the review, I wanted to request you to hit the subscribe button and like my videos if you haven't done so far. It will be a very big encouragement for me to continue making good videos. So now let's see what's in the box. We open this from here. It's quite nicely packed. It has this, we can lift it up very easily. So it's a very cute and nice small little fridge. It's a 4-liter fridge and it's pretty nice. It's got a rose gold handle to open. So this is the leaflet, the bill, and its cord, which was in the refrigerator itself. So it is pretty cute. Its capacity is 4 liters. These shelves are removable. You can remove these shelves. If you want to keep some long bottle here, you can remove this and you can keep easily put this back in. Also, you have a shelf here, small little shelf for your face packs and face masks. So this is a pretty nice lightweight fridge. Now let's see, you can hold it from here. There is a very convenient, if you can see, you can put your fingers in and hold it. It's pretty lightweight. So it has a cold and warm setting. You can put it to cold or you can put it on warm. There is the on off, see, off button, warm. You put it down and up for cold. This is its power cord. This has this kind of an adapter. This as well, so which easily you can put it in here, this slot provided here, and plug it and start using it. So this is a cute little thing. It's very pretty, and I will plug it in and I will put my stuff in and I will show it to you. Also, I purchased this from Amazon India site for 6,500 rupees. It is a 4-liter capacity fridge and I will share all the details in the description below. So let's plug this in and see if it works and how it is. So let's go and plug this in. So I'm going to plug this in now. Done that. Switching the button on. And we plug this here. So this is on off right now. We'll switch it on cold. See the green light. Oh my god, there's this, I can feel the fan go on. And if you can hear the sound, it sounds like a proper fridge. It's like really nice. It's switched on. And it fits perfectly in my bathroom on this slab here. So let's see. Wow, it's already started cooling. Really nice. It works. So we can put our beauty stuff here. My sheet masks, my under eye masks. I can put them here, and this can, you know, if there is something long, that is long face mask, we can put it like this. Yeah, and you can put your serum bottles. Yeah, see? Smaller mask packets would also come here. You can put them in here like this. Yeah, then we can put this back and put our serums, night creams, smaller creams. It's really nice. It works. The StylPro beauty fridge. So that was the StylPro beauty fridge. We unboxed it, we installed it. It works perfectly. It is really good and portable and small little cute thing. I really liked it, and you know, we can keep all sorts of night creams, face masks, moisturizers, serums, lip masks, under eye creams. We can put everything in it. It has decent storage capacity. It's 4 liters. It's for hot and cold both. And rest of the technical details I will put in the description below, and you can have a look. I will also leave the link where you can buy this StylPro beauty fridge. That's it from me today, guys. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, stay safe, take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you next time.